Alright guys, so we're working on this 2015 Silverado 1500 LT. So we're going to be replacing the stock halogen bulbs on the fog lights on this Silverado. And we're going to be using the 5202s, alright? So this is our Lasfit LC6 5202. And we're going to install it, okay? Pretty easy to get into this. Remove 3 screws, will be 1, 2, 3. They're torque screws, so they'll look like these ones right here. Alright? And they use a T15 to remove this, okay? So once you take them off, you'll be able to pull the liner back, okay? And you can see you have all that space to work with. We've actually removed the bulb already, and we're gonna be replacing it now, okay? So pretty much, just get in there, line it up correctly. It only has one way it can go in. There you go, you can hear it clip. It's in. Then pull out your cable. There's your plug. This would only lock in one way, okay? So you can see here, this is your push clip right here that releases lock. And our bulb actually has a little pin right here. That's what it uses to lock into, okay? So. Cool. Hopefully you guys heard that. It clicked in, so you know it's in. And now we'll test it out, okay? There you go. Fog light is working. See the one that's kind of like flashing? It's not really flickering, it's just the camera not picking it up correctly. But the light right here, that's your fog light. It kind of sucks because it's in a white background, but it's there. Okay. And we'll be doing the same thing to the passenger side. All right, pretty simple, same steps, and we'll get that started. All right, so we got both the fog lights completed, and this is the final result. So if you guys have any questions and want or need help with tips on how to install them and make it easier for you guys, let us know. We're more than happy to help you out with that. And thank you for watching.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning bed.